Hello guys, I'm Austin Wright. Today I want to show you how you can install WordPress on your local host. For some reasons you don't have all the money to buy live host while learning how to use WordPress. So that's why I have prepared the step-by-step procedure on how you can install your WordPress perfectly on your machine without having to pay money or without having the need to use a live server. So quickly, let us dive into the system as I show you how you install this. So make sure you follow the steps that I have prepared for you in this video, okay? And at the end of the day, you will have your WordPress running on your machine. Okay, let's dive into the system. Okay guys, the first thing you do is to download WordPress. So if you are downloading, you go to the website wordpress.org. Don't go to wordpress.com. You won't be able to download it there. So if you want to download anything for WordPress, you go to wordpress.org. Then you click on Get WordPress. If you're using a system, it's going to show you Get WordPress. That's where you click first. So if you're using a phone to download it, you are going to see the option to download WordPress directly. Okay, like this is it here. So if you're using a phone, it will show you direct. Or if you're using system, it will show you to Get WordPress first. So you click download WordPress and to start downloading. Okay, so once you're done downloading, you go to your folder, your download folder, wherever you have your WordPress stored. I have already downloaded mine before now, so this is where I stored it. Then you also go to your Xampp, which you have installed. Make sure that the Apache and MySQL module are active. Okay, when they are active, they will show green. Once they've started, they will show you green color, which means they are active. Okay, and then you also on the MySQL module, you click on admin. Okay, that will take you to PHP my admin, where we are going to be doing some settings on the database. Okay, so you make sure you click admin on MySQL module. Okay, so while this one is loading, we'll go back to the WordPress that we downloaded. Okay, go back to that. Now what we are going to do is that we're going to copy this WordPress. We're going to copy it into the Xampp directory. Okay, when you install Xampp, it's going to create directory where you're going to have your htdoc, MySQL folder, like every single thing. It's going to create it somewhere, which is Xampp inside your local disk. Okay, so once you go to where it is, you open the Xampp, go to htdoc. Okay, htdocs, that's where you go. Then you paste it. Okay, you can see I already have it here because I don't want us to wait much time trying to install and trying to copy and paste and all those. I don't want us to waste time on that. So once you copy, then the next thing you do is extract. Okay, you extract. Now you know we are now in htdocs, so you extract the job. Okay, so I'm using WinRAR. You can use anything. You can even use the default extractor on the system. Okay, so you check the settings, whatever thing you want to change. You can still go ahead and use it and press OK or click on OK, just like that, and then it will start extracting. Okay, so you wait for it to completely. Don't cancel. Okay, please, when extracting, do not cancel. Exercise some patience. Okay, for the extraction to be complete, because if you interrupt, some necessary files might be missing. Okay, you might miss out some files and then your WordPress will not work. It will giving you some error and you might not be able to fix it, and the solution would just be that you have to reinstall. You have to start the process all over again. So whenever you are extracting a file, you have to be patient. Okay, you have to be very patient for it to extract completely. Okay, so in few seconds this one will be done. Few seconds this will be done. Okay, now we are done. we're done extracting. So we go to the folder, look at it here, you see that it is look at this here. So what we do is that we rename this folder to the name of the website you want. Okay, now I'm putting Right Tech. Okay, that's the name I want to give to my website. And whatever name you put here, please take note, whatever name you put here is the name you're going to use in your database, in your PHP My Admin. Okay, now we created, but before then, this is what we're going to do. You know, this when you extract a folder, it creates another folder. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll copy everything here, or you can cut it, because we don't want it to be, we want it to be directly inside Right Tech, not inside WordPress. Okay, so we'll paste it here. So this way we're making sure that it is directly installed. Okay, making sure that it's directly installed on the whole job is directly on Right Tech folder. Okay, so we remove this WordPress, we don't need it, we just delete it. The main job is already here. The only thing we did was to rename the WordPress to the name of the site we need. Okay, so once we've done that, see that we have the Right Tech now, and inside the htdoc folder. Okay, you can see it. Okay, Right Tech. So we'll just copy. Okay, but you know, to make mistake or any error, just copy this name, then you go back to your browser. Okay, this is the PHP My Admin, this interface. Remember, to get there you have to click on admin from Xampp. Okay, so we click on new. When you click on new, you paste the name you copied. Okay, you paste the name that you copied, and then you click on create. Okay, remember, it's that name that is on that you renamed your WordPress. So that's what you do, and then you create. Okay, and after creating, you go to privileges so that you get the details of database. Okay, remember database name Right Tech, look at the username and the host name. Okay, we have a host name as local host and the username as root. Now go, this is what we'll now do. We'll enter local host, okay, slash the name of the database just created, which is the same as the folder in our Xampp. Okay, so we have it here. Remember, it's still in our clipboard, so we just paste and then we enter. Okay, so you allow it to load. So you're going to bring up the interface where you are going to, so it's telling you to make sure you have the username. Okay, so this is our name, this is our username, okay, which is root. Okay, then the next thing is password. Now when you're using Xampp, we didn't set any password, so I'm going to leave that side blank. Okay, then the local host, you can use localhost, okay, as your, but most time you're going to be there by default. Now what we'll do next is to move, say click on let's go. Okay, so now you put the database name, which is Right Tech. Okay, the name we created in database. The username is root. Okay, from here, okay, this is what we're going to use as our username. Okay, paste it there, and also password. Like I said, we didn't create any password, so there is no password. There is none. Okay, but so we're going to leave it blank. Don't put anything there. Okay, then you see localhost is there by default. Okay, then this table prefix, don't remove it, don't tamper with that table prefix. Okay, so we can go ahead and run installation now. Okay, so once you get to this stage, it means those credentials have been accepted, they are correct. So this is where you now set information. Okay, which name do you want to be displayed on your site as the name of your site? Okay, that is the site title. So I want mine to be Right Tech. Then you can put a username, which is very, very essential for logging in. You need it to log in, so don't be careless about it. Put something that you can remember. Then you can put your own password, or you can copy the automatically generated password, which is can keep it secure. But you can always change it later when the job is installed. Okay, and you put email where you're going to get notified that okay, your WordPress has been installed into your server whatsoever. Okay, then if you don't want your job to see on search engine like Google and all that, you can check that part. Then you install. Okay, so you run your installation. Yeah, if you want to save your password, like you don't want to be always entering it by yourself, your browser will always remind you to do that. So you select if you want to do that. Okay, then you can see that the installation is in progress now. I've already put the details we want. Now is in progress. Okay, I remember that when we created a database, that we didn't create any table, we didn't add anything inside it. Okay, we didn't put anything, but now as the installation is ongoing, WordPress will automatically install everything, every table that is needed. You can see now that these things are installed. Okay, so everything you need to run your WordPress is now installed. Okay, so we now have a success message that our installation is complete. Okay, so WordPress has been installed. Okay, so what do we do next? You now log in. You see where this is where your username is now needed to log in. Okay, you can use either your username or the email you entered while setting up installation. Okay, so also remember that we copied the generated password, so we have to paste it and log in. Okay, so once you do that, see that your WordPress has been successfully installed and running. Okay, see that it is actually very simple to do that. Okay, everything we need has been installed. So here is WordPress fully installed, and remember we used the latest version. Okay, so this is WordPress. So from here now you can now go ahead and do whatever you want to do, the editing you want to edit, whatever. And you can also visit the site to see how users are going to see your website. So this is it. Okay, see that there is no design, there is nothing. In subsequent videos I will show you how you can do something nice with WordPress. But right now our WordPress is installed and running. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do well to subscribe so you can stay connected to all our uploads, so all our videos on this channel. Thank you very much for watching.